How to fix Need for Speed not launching. If you are trying to open Need for Speed on your phone but it won't launch, don't worry. Here is how to fix it in just a few simple steps. Let's open Need for Speed application. The first step would be hold the power button and slide to turn off. Then power it back on. This clears any background box stopping the app. Some version of the game needs internet to start. Make sure you are connected to the strong Wi-Fi or cellular data. You have to go to the App Store, then tap your profile and scroll down to see if there is any Need for Speed updates. Either you have to go to the internal iPhone storage and delete unused app or media. Low storage can crash game on launch. If it still won't open, uninstall Need for Speed and reinstall it from the App Store. Make sure your progress is linked first. And that's how to fix Need for Speed not launching on your phone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.